Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 13th, 2025, down by the shipping containers this morning. Not feeling it today. Yesterday I spent some time not in this shipping container, but the other one where I put up the shelving. This one got the shelving up in this one as well. It's not raining today so far, so I've got the doors open. And my goal was to come in here and start getting a lot of this equipment up on the shelves today. But it appears that I've really strained my right shoulder. I'm right-handed and all. And that has not boded well. I can't really move my right arm very much today. Yesterday got pretty sore, so I stopped doing that sort of work and did some mowing, which doesn't affect my shoulder. Really frustrating that I can't use my shoulder to do this today. And I really need to make room in here, which I just don't think I'm going to be able to do. I may be able to push a few things out of the way. Kelsey's coming today, and one of my goals was to go ahead and see if I could get the bins out of my parts bins that have been outside for a long time. If Kelsie was to go through those, put them on a pallet, now I could maybe slide the pallets into a couple of spots here, depending how things work out. But I had planned on getting a lot more space in here by getting things up on the shelves, and that isn't going to work. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do or how I'm going to do it yet. But I'm too sore to use my right arm today. That is frustrating. But, you know, it's like I do work all the time and I use my limbs, not so much in the winter, but putting things up way up over the top of your head on those upper shelves, even though some of the things are light, but some of the darn things are pretty heavy. It's surprising how much that can really strain you. So anyways, enough of me being a baby here. So I'll decide what I'm going to do. Got a while before Kelsie will get here about 9, and I'll see how she feels, if she wants to tackle this shipping container over here first or go up there and do that. Just not positive yet. So I'll keep you posted as the day goes on. Seems like there's always little turtles coming around here. You know I'm working here, handsome boy. Girl, sorry. I didn't mean to be insulting. Good girl. We'll let you be. Well, it's been another busy day today. My arm shoulder feels a little bit better, but I was able to get some things, so I got things organized in here somewhat today. I got things up on the shelves as much as I can get up there. Once Kelsie was done with the shipping container on the far side over there, the one further south, I went over and got this small step ladder, and that made it much easier being able to get up and get supplies up there, up above. And I was able to move things around, get things organized somewhat. These little magnets, I mentioned these before. These here are permanent magnets I got from Amazon. Really powerful. I got three small boxes of these, so they work out really well for hanging, you know, various things, and they can hang on the walls of the shipping containers, or my different tool belts or aprons, all my different tool belts and all for each different job that I have and all. So that's pretty cool. Not sure how well the lighting is in here to see what's going on. Kelsie did, after she finished that shipping container, she went up front and started work on some of the bins, the parts bins and all. And a lot of things are pretty darn, just loaded with water and all rusty and all. These are my plum hinges there for all my cabinet making. Electrical supplies, all different materials and supplies in each one of these. And so we got these on this pallet right now, and have to go through these tomorrow or the next day and try and dry them all out. And I brought down 3 of the shelving units that the bins go into. And these all got banged up, rusty, scratched up, pretty darn rusty as well. All of them are. And some of them got a little bit crushed as well. But they're good enough for right now to put some, put the bins back in here if we get the things dried out. So that will be helpful. I got a few more things put up on the other shelves of the other shipping container. I'll have to check and see just what the weight limit is on these shipping container brackets, because I've got a hell of a lot of weight. I've got some real lightweight stuff on some of these, but some of these puppies are, well, I'm putting them to their limits. So they're not quite straight out, but I'll have to look it up, because I've got hundreds of pounds up on here right now. And so we're going to push everything to the max, I guess. And I did get the blue bins, try to get as many of them organized as possible in here. There's still more cleaning and organizing. I'm using organizing very, very loosely, because there's electrical stuff in all 4 shipping containers. There's ventilation stuff in all 4 shipping containers. There's, you know, it's, everything was just jam-packed into buckets and bins and all, and it's going to take months to get things straightened out where we got everything. But and tomorrow, I think tomorrow we're gonna have some rain over the next few days, and it's gonna get warmer. I don't know how much rain we're gonna get. Hopefully we don't get too much. Hopefully it just rains during the evening hours, and I can have these containers open to help dry things out some. At least that's what I'm hoping I can do. We shall see. So pretty happy with things at this point. Of course, lots of organizing and more work to do in each one of these containers. But and I took the rolling rack here out, the one with the broken wheels. I brought that up to the shop so I can see if I can get some more wheels for that one. And there's one of the shelves on this one needs to be replaced, but things are coming along, just very, very slow. I've got some real lightweight stuff I can get up on the top shelf there when I get a chance up there. So we shall see. So not too much as far as video footage today. Just wanted to give you a little intro, and then a little summary of what I got accomplished. I'm always a little disappointed that I don't get as much done as I wish I could get done, but I need, at some point in time in my life, I'm going to have to be satisfied with what I do get done. But the day was nice. The temperature was ideal. A slight breeze, partial sun, partial overcast. So actually, when it's in the 60s, I really like it a lot. But pretty soon we'll be transitioning back to the 80s and all. And I know you folks, you know, like Jim, over 100 degrees and all. I remember Tucson. Man, that was hot down there, but I got used to it. They say it's a dry heat. Well, it may be a dry heat, but it can be a bit overwhelming when you're outside working and all. But I gotta say, the high humidity up here, even when it gets in the 80s, and God forbid when it gets into the 90s, that's pretty tough. Now I'm whining again. All right, folks, that's it for today's video. I hope you found something interesting in this video. We keep plugging away, and we'll see how things go. So in the meantime, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.